Hello everyone! Welcome back to our math lesson. In this video, we will work on a geometry problem taken from the grade 10 mathematics test in English in Kanto City on March 16, 2025. In the coordinate plane OXY, given triangle ABC with vertex A, open bracket 3 semicolon minus 7 close bracket. The orthocenter is H, open bracket 3, semicolon, minus 1 close bracket. The center of the circumcircle is I, open bracket 6, semicolon, 0, close bracket. Determine the coordinates of the vertices B and C, knowing that C has positive x coordinates. Now, we find the equation of line AH. It passes through H with coordinates 3, minus 1. The direction vector of H is 0, 6. So a normal vector is 6, 0. Therefore, in normal form, the equation is 6 times x minus 3 plus 0 times y plus 1 equals 0. This reduces to 6x minus 18 equals 0, or simply x minus 3 equals 0. Thus, we conclude that line AH is vertical. Since AH is an altitude, it must be perpendicular to line BC. Hence, line BC is horizontal, and its equation can be written as y minus b equals 0. Next, let point B lie on line BC with coordinates x1, b. Similarly, let point C lie on line BC with coordinates x2, b. Now, we use the vector relation between the orthocenter and the circumcenter. We have vector IA plus vector IB plus vector IC equals vector IH. Therefore, vector IB plus vector IC equal vector IH minus vector II. Now, let us compute each side. Vector IB plus vector IC equal, open parentheses, x1 minus 6 plus x2 minus 6, comma, b plus b, close parentheses, which simplifies to x1 plus x2 minus 12, sa, ra, 2p. On the other side, vector IH minus vector IA equal open parentheses 3 minus 6 minus parentheses 3 minus 6 close parentheses comma parentheses minus 1 minus 0 close parentheses minus 7 minus 0 close parentheses which simplifies to 0, 6. So we obtain the system of equations x1 plus x2 minus 12 equals 0 and 2b equals 6. From this, we deduce that x2 equals 12 minus x1 and b equals 3. Next, we note that point C lies on the circumcircle with center I 6, 0 and radius equal to IA. The radius IA is the square root of parentheses 3 minus 6 squared plus parentheses minus 7 minus 0 squared, which equal the square root of 9 plus 49. That is the square root of 58. Therefore, IC must equal IA. So the square root of 58 equal the square root of parentheses x2 minus 6 squared plus 3 squared. Squaring both sides, we get x2 minus 6 squared equals 58 minus 9, which is 49. So x2 minus 6 equals 7, or x2 minus 6 equals minus 7. Hence, x2 equals 13, or x2 equals minus 1. Since point C must have a positive x-coordinate, we take x2 equals 13. Then, from the relation x1 plus x2 equals 12, we find x1 equals 12 minus 13, which is minus 1. Therefore, the coordinates I가 C is 13, 3 and B is minus 1, 3. So we have finished solving the problem. The coordinates of the vertices are B, negative 1, 3 and C, 13, 3. This exercise shows how to use the orthocenter, the circumcenter, and vector relations to determine the missing points of a triangle. Thank you for following along and keep practicing to strengthen your problem solving skills. See you in the next lesson.